Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a vacation in your Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar on your computer or mobile. Tap on the Create or Plus button to start a new event. In the event title, type Vacation. Select the start date for your vacation. By default, it will appear as an all-day event. Then select the end date of your vacation. You can also change the color, set yourself as busy, and even make it public so others know you're away. Finally, click Save, and that's it. Your vacation is now added to Google Calendar. And that's how to add a vacation in your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.